It's like I came up with this off the rip. Off the rip. Hi Shay babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright y'all, so I'm super excited today. I had to brainstorm a poppin' hairstyle for the New Year's, okay? This hairstyle is specifically for the New Year's. It's gonna be extra, it's gonna be all of that, okay? So I'm starting out on blown out hair, y'all. I feel like this hairstyle will work best for me while it's blown out, because y'all know my hair is thick. She thick. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put my part on the side. You can have a middle part or a side part. It really does not matter. I just wanted to switch it up and do a side part. All right, y'all, so I just made my little side part. To make sure my hair is sleek at the part, I'm going to be using the rice water braid gel by Mayel. Y'all know this is one of my favorite. Dab it on there. Dab it on there. After I put the braid gel at the part, I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser and brush it on in there. So after I apply the braid gel, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair situated into this low puff. Like I said, I have extremely thick type 4 hair, y'all, even when it's blown out. Blowout actually helps my roots to lay a little flatter, but my hair is still gonna be puffy in a low puff. I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off in sections because I'm going to have to put it in sections in order to get it sleek as possible. I'm going to section the back off first and get that into a ponytail. So now that I have the back portion of my hair sectioned off, it's not like a straight part or anything like that. Probably no part in there at all. But I'm going to go ahead and use some more of the braid gel. After I put the braid gel on, go back in with the Tangle Teaser. Brush the braid gel in and try and get the hair flat and smooth as possible. After I brush the back portion of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail holder. And I'm going to wrap my hair around 4 times. Alright, so we got the first part. Next, I'm going to move on to the side. Alright, so after I got this side nice and sleek, I'm going to gather it, grab a scrunchie, and join it with the back of the back portion of the hair. And this bigger section, I'm going to split this in half and do the same steps that I did for my left side. Alright y'all, I'm over here sweating. I finally got everything sleeked down into the low puff. Everything feels smooth. Everything looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of the braid gel on the outside just to lay down some of the frizz if there is any. You can definitely do some edge art. After I have my hair in the low puff, I'm gonna go ahead and try and do the bubble ponytails, if that makes sense. I'll insert a photo of what I'm talking about. But I've always wanted to try this. I can't do it on my whole entire head, like my whole puff out like that, because it would be too thick. So I'm just gonna take small sections and just try and make the bubble ponytails. And I'm going to be using some clear rubber bands on my hair. So I'm gonna take a section around this size, and I'm gonna use the Pantene Gold Series leave-in conditioner just to add a little bit of moisture to my puff because she's a little dry. I'm adding a little tiny drop of that leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just combing out my ends a little bit. to get everything smoothed out with my wide tooth comb. Alright, after I have everything smoothed out on this one section, I'm gonna go ahead and take the first rubber band, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the bubble ponytails. And I'm just wrap the rubber band around probably 3 times like that, and then I'm gonna move down the section to like right here, add another rubber band. And I'm just gonna add like 3 rubber bands to each ponytail piece, and like when I get towards the end, I'm gonna probably just do like a 2-strand twist so it doesn't look all like puffy at the end. I'm actually gonna add 1 more rubber band actually. So this is the first bubble piece. I'm gonna go ahead and separate another piece off out of the huge puff around this size section, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the leave-in, like a little bit, like 1 little pump, and just work it into the section. And then I'm gonna comb it out, comb my ends out a little bit. I'm gonna use the tangle teaser to smooth the outer layer of the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the bubble method with the rubber bands. All right, and that is the second one. And I'm just gonna repeat these steps all around the puff until I run out of hair. Alright you guys, so I just put in all of the bubble ponytail pieces. Super cute. The next thing I'm gonna do is actually gather all of them and like roll them over like this and like bobby pin them. So I'm gonna just do one side at a time. I have about 8 of them in the back of my head, so I'm just gonna split them in half so it'll be a lot easier for me. So the first pieces I'm gonna roll them under so I can tuck them under. I'm just gathering them at the ends. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin it at the base of my neck or at the base of the bun. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. I'm just gathering them at the ends, roll them under and tuck them where the base of the bun is. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin the ends. This is how the back of the bun is looking. I actually pinned the ends and like pinned it towards the base of the scrunchie, and I just positioned it to where it's like it's fanned out so it doesn't have any gaps or anything like that. So this is how it's looking. She looking cute. Is she looking cute? Okay. And you can stop here if you want, but you know me, I'll be extra, okay? So the final thing that I'm going to do for this hairstyle is actually adding some clips. I'm going to be adding clips towards like the front of my hair. And I just have like these gold and pearl hair accessory clips that I'm going to put all around the perimeter of my head. They're all different styles and I think that's cute to me. You don't have to add these if you don't want to, but I'm going to add a little spice to it. So I'm just randomly going to put in the clips all around my head. Alright you guys, so I just placed the clips like down the sides and everything like that. So this is how the hair is looking, y'all. This is so cute to me. Like I said, you don't have to add the clips if you don't want to. Yes, y'all, this bun is so freaking cute. This is the finished look. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle down below in the comment section. Let me know, okay? If you do decide to try this hairstyle out for New Year's, definitely tag me on Instagram, y'all. This would be so cool to see, because I came up with this off the rip. Definitely tag me on Instagram if you decide to do this hairstyle for New Year's or just in general. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one, and I'll see you guys in 2022. My name is Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.iyanalesheaillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking with you.